In this video, we'll show you how to make a cool necklace with recycled materials. In this case, I've got recycled large beads and also a chain. Hi, my name is Juliana from One Gift World, where we help you to choose conscious unique gifts. We produce handmade jewelry and fashion accessories and house accessories. We are involved in slow fashion as well. We recycle, upcycle, restyle, upstyle, reuse and repurpose. So, if you are new and passionate about high fashion that cares, please subscribe today. Today I have chosen to use, first of all, to recycle and upcycle or repurpose this large chain. This cream to ivory large chain. I have got these large beads. I've got the smaller one to go with it. I have got this large bead. I've got this one. I've got the smaller one. Smaller one. And also I do have endings, which is with 4 in this case. Clasp, extension, chain extension, jump rings, got the smaller one. I would like to use tassels. I've got 2 types of tassels today, and my tools are wire cutters, scissors, tweezers, pliers, and I also do have a ruler. So today roughly we're gonna measure it about 50 centimeters for the multiple chain necklace. So this is roughly 50 centimeters, this one. That's 30 up to there. And that's just over 50. I'll do it. I would like to put on the second chain. Have to do things properly, otherwise shortcuts don't really work in this business. And the end. So I forgot to mention I've got the work cotton thread, which is a very strong one for the purpose of holding the large beads, and also a big-eyed needle. So this is our project for today. Thanks for watching. Please be kind and wonderful and humble.